Hello friends, in this video we will see how to find square of big numbers. First, let's recall what is a square. So when a number is multiplied by itself, it gives a square. So square of 3 is 3 into 3, which is 9. The other way to find a square is using the odd number concept. So the square of any number is sum of those many odd numbers. So square of 3 is the first three odd numbers. So square of 3 is 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 9. And 3 into 3 is also 9. If the number is small, that is easy, but if the number is big, we can find the square in two ways. One is using the formula. Which formula will we be using? We'll be using a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square, and a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. There's one more way to find. We can do add and subtract of successive odd numbers. So this also this is another way to find square of big numbers. Okay, so let's take an example of finding a square of 101 and 99. So let's first use the formula. For 101, we can say 100 plus 1 is a whole square. And when we solve using the formula, it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square is 100 square plus b square is 1 square. And then 2 into 100 into 1, which is 200. And when we solve this, we get 10201. So using this formula, we can solve this. Now let's use the same thing using this add subtract successive odd number. So square of 101 is sum of first 101 odd numbers. If you split sum of 100 odd numbers plus the 101st odd number. Now the first part is easy because the sum of first 100 odd number is square of 100, which is 100 into 100 plus the 101st odd number. So how do we find 101st odd number? And the formula is 2n minus 1. The formula is 2n minus 1. So using this, if we find, we get 2 into 101 minus 1. So if we solve this 2 into 101 minus 1, we get 201. So 2 into 101 is 202 minus 1. So this is the minus 1 is 201. And when we add this, we get 10201. So if you see, this number and this number matches. So using the formula or using this odd number concept, we can find the odd number of the big number, which is 101 in this case. Okay, let's take an example of 99 square. So here 100 minus 1 whole square, which is a minus b whole square. So if we use the formula of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, 2 into 100 into 1, which is 200. If we solve this, we get 9801. Now using this odd number concept, we can say sum of 100 odd numbers minus the 100th odd number. Okay, the sum of 100 odd numbers is square of 100, which is 10000, and then minus again the formula 2n minus 1. So for the 100, it's 2 into 100, 200 minus 1 is 199. So if we solve this, we get 9801. So if you compare 9801, so using this formula a minus b whole square or using this odd number concept, we get the same value. So using these two methods, we can find the square of big numbers. Thank you.